Three words to describe the Bay-Lynx Cambering machine is quality, craftsmanship, and durability. So we had multiple vendors that would camber for us. We buy our material, and then it starts becoming a logistical nightmare of having material sent to a cambering company, having it cambered, then we send our own trucks, pick it up, bring it back to our facility. After each year, we always talk about, man, we should have bought a cambering machine. We should have bought a cambering machine. After talking to the JPS team, they recommended Bay-Lynx because it comes as a fully assembled machine ready to plug in and go. Just add oil and put your power source. Opened up the instruction manual, and within 2 hours, we were cambering beams. I realized that the Bay-Lynx was the best machine for us in our situation with the size of beams, the amount of beams that we do. The options we opted to go with were recommended by the JPS team. Costs that we knew would probably pay off, but we didn't realize how quickly it would pay off. And that was the lift and kneel, the long stroke 36-inch cylinders, the hydraulic hold downs, as well as the digital readout. All 4 options, we've already seen it pay dividends. We use the Bay-Lynx cambering machine only on an as-needed basis, so our shop is very fluid and adaptable. So being able to have it modular is a priority for us. So we were able to take it, put it on the shop floor, do 75-foot long beams, and then put it back in its resting home, which does most of our cambering, which is 40 feet and under. So we're able to put it in place, do all the cambering we need to do. And then even when we're not using it, like right now in our production schedule, we don't have any cambering for the next 2 to 3 months. Put it in storage, put a tarp over it, and that allows for us to be adaptive. So now that area where a traditional cambering machine would have to be fixed and sitting in place can actually be used for production for floor space. So all in all, it's been a great decision for our company because with the amount of cambering we have going on this year, we'll be able to pay for the machine just on the cost of cambering this year. It has done every single thing that we needed to do and what we bought it for, so it's a no-brainer now for us. We wish we would have done it sooner.